Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome to another with me in my mini bullet journal. So for this week's video, we'll be doing a plan with me. So I lost a part of the video, so this is what I already had it all sketched out and inked with a pigment liner. So I'm just gonna skip that part and then move on to the coloring part with the brush pens, the greens and oranges that I used from last week. These are the Marvy color in brush pens. These are really lovely. So now I'm using these brush pens to color in the leaves. As you can see, there's not many leaves, so I'm using 3 colors and 3 different shades to color each of the plants, flowers, whatever you guys call it. So now you can see that I've colored the plants in, and now I'm trying to look for the orange or yellowish mild liner and then another Marvy color in brush pen, which is kind of like a burgundy orangey red color for the pumpkin. So now I'm just coloring the pumpkin in, and then you'll see what I'm going to do next. Next time, I don't think I'm going to film in 4K because 4K is really laggy and my computer cannot handle it. I wanted to try the 4K to see how it looks, and it does look really good on screen, but like it's really like the gigabytes, how the storage is really too much. My computer cannot handle it. So as you can see, I used the green Marvy pen to color in the stem of the pumpkin. So now we're back onto the front pages. So now I have these pumpkin stickers that I created last year. And I'm going to just decorate this the layout because it's pretty simple right now. Just black and white and some greens and oranges. So I thought I should use some of the plants or the Halloween flowers and fall. It did take me a while to peel the sticker because it wasn't a kiss sticker, it was a die cut sticker, so it took me forever to peel. So I'm gonna be fast forwarding this part of the video. So I'm just placing all the leaves and plants and pumpkins in different areas of the page to just fill in the empty space to add something to it. So now we're done. As you can see, I took out my bullet journal to put back the pages. So this is week 2 of October. Can you believe it? It's already week 2 of October. It's nuts. So here's the finished spread from the 5th to the 9th. Like I said, I only do Monday to Friday since this is a work bullet journal. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. See you guys next week.